Hello and welcome to the Consumer Tech. Today we're counting down the top 5 best drones to buy in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, these picks are going to blow your mind. Stay tuned to the end to find out which one takes the top spot. All links to these awesome drones are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus is a compelling choice for drone enthusiasts seeking a high-quality alternative to DJI in 2025. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 5.4K video at 30 FPS and 20 man-images stills, offering exceptional image quality, especially in low-light conditions due to its adjustable aperture f2.8 to f11. This feature provides greater control over exposure and depth of field, reducing the need for ND filters. With a robust 40-minute flight time, the Evo Lite Plus outlasts many competitors, supported by a sturdy 835G foldable design that ensures stability in winds up to 43 km/h. Its 3-way obstacle detection, forward, backward, downward, enhances safety, though it lacks side and upward sensors. The drone's 7.4-mile transmission range and Skylink system deliver reliable connectivity, while 6 GB internal storage and a micro SD slot up to 256 GB offer ample space for footage. The Autel Sky app supports autonomous flight modes like hyperlapse, though processing limitations may crop images. Despite its slightly higher price, the $349 standard, $1,649 premium, and less mature ecosystem compared to DJI, the Evo Lite Plus shines for creators prioritizing camera flexibility and extended flight. Its quiet operation is ideal for discrete shoots, and the absence of known security concerns makes it a viable option amid DJI's US market uncertainties. Available in Autel Orange, Arctic White, or Deep Space Gray, it's a stylish, powerful drone for prosumer videographers. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is the ultimate FPV, first-person view drone for thrill seekers and creators in 2025, excelling in speed, agility, and immersive flight. Weighing 400, this compact drone features a 1.3-inch sensor that shoots 4K video at up to 100 FPS in D-Log-M and HDR modes, delivering vibrant, high-quality footage ideal for dynamic action shots. Its protected propellers and durable plastic shell make it crash-resistant, perfect for indoor flights or navigating tight spaces. With a top speed of 60 mph and a 23-minute flight time, the Avata 2 offers exhilarating performance, though its battery life is shorter than camera-focused drones. The Flymore combo, including 3 batteries, an updated headset, and the RC Motion 3 controller, enhances the experience for $1,199. Lacking obstacle detection, it relies on its rugged design to withstand impacts, making it less suited for beginners but ideal for skilled pilots. The 9-mile transmission range ensures reliable control during high-speed maneuvers. The DJI Goggles 3 provide an immersive FPV experience, though they add to the cost. While not as versatile as traditional camera drones, the Avata 2's acrobatic capabilities and cinematic potential make it a standout for vloggers and content creators seeking unique perspectives. Its intuitive controls and 10-bit color sampling ensure professional-grade results, despite US market concerns affecting DJI's availability. The Avata 2 is a must-have for FPV enthusiasts craving adrenaline-fueled aerial adventures. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact powerhouse in 2025, weighing under 250 kg to avoid FAA registration while delivering pro-level performance. Its 1.3-inch sensor captures 4K video at 60 FPS with 10-bit D-Log-M and 48 MP stills, rivaling larger drones in image quality. With a 34-minute flight time and a 12.4-mile transmission range via OcuSync 3, it's ideal for extended shoots. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a rare feature in sub-250 bird drones, ensures safe navigation, while ActiveTrack 360 degrees enables smooth subject tracking for cinematic shots. The rotating camera supports true vertical shooting, perfect for social media. Priced at $759 standard or $959 Fly More combo, it's a budget-friendly option for creators. The Mini 4 Pro's foldable design, 145 ZS 90 a 60mm folded, enhances portability, and its wind resistance, level 5, ensures stability. The DJI Fly app offers intuitive controls and automated modes like quick shots. With 45 GB internal storage and a micro SD slot, storage is ample. However, its smaller sensor struggles slightly in low light compared to larger models, and battery life is shorter than premium drones. Amid DJI's US market challenges, the Mini 4 Pro remains a top pick for hobbyists and professionals seeking a lightweight, feature-packed drone. Its balance of affordability, portability, and advanced features makes it a versatile choice for aerial photography and videography in 2025. Number 2. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S strikes a perfect balance of affordability and advanced features, making it a top contender for 2025. Its dual camera system, featuring a 1-inch wide-angle sensor and a 70mm telephoto lens, captures 4K video at 120 FPS with 10-bit D-Log-M and 50 megapixel stills, excelling in low light and versatile framing. Weighing 724G, it offers a 45-minute flight time, outlasting many competitors, and a 12.5-mile transmission range for expansive shoots. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, bolstered by a forward-facing LiDAR sensor, ensures safe flights in complex environments, while ActiveTrack 360° delivers precise subject tracking. Priced at $1,099 standard or $1,399's Fly More combo, it's a cost-effective alternative to premium models. The Air 3S's top speed of 45 mph and wind resistance make it reliable in challenging conditions. With 45 GB internal storage and a micro SD slot, it handles large files effortlessly. The DJI RC2 controller's 7-inch display enhances usability. While its telephoto lens lacks the range of the Mavic 3 Pro, the Air 3S's compact design, 214-odd 100-88mm folded, and superior low-light performance make it ideal for photographers and videographers. Despite DJI's US market uncertainties, the Air 3S's robust feature set, including HDR support and automated flight modes, positions it as a versatile, high-value drone for creators seeking professional results. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the undisputed king of consumer drones in 2025, offering unmatched versatility and cinematic quality. Its triple camera system, led by a Hasselblad 4.3 CMOS sensor, captures 5.1K video at 50 FPS and 20 megapixel stills with full D-Log, excelling in low light and dynamic range. Two telephoto lenses, 70mm and 106mm, provide 3x and 7nx optical zoom, ideal for wildlife, landscapes, or search and rescue. Weighing 958 G, it boasts a 43-minute flight time and a 9.3-mile transmission range supported by OcuSync 3. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and ActiveTrack 5.0 ensure safe, precise flights even in complex environments. Priced at $2,199 standard or $2,999's Fly More combo, it's a premium investment for professionals. The Mavic 3 Pro's wind resistance and 45 mph top speed handle diverse conditions, while 8 GB of internal storage and a micro SD slot manage large files. The DJI RC Pro controller offers a seamless experience. Its foldable design, 231/98-95mm folded, balances portability and power. Despite US market concerns for DJI, the Mavic 3 Pro's superior camera system, 10-bit color, and intelligent flight modes like hyperlapse make it the go-to for filmmakers and photographers. Its robust build and unparalleled image quality cement its status as the best drone for professional aerial content creation in 2025.